In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply filters to your incoming Gmail. If you go to the Settings cog, at the very top you should see a button that says See All Settings. Click on that and then look for Filters and Blocked Addresses. Click on that, and then way at the bottom you should see a little link to create a new filter. When you click on that, you'll have several options that you can use to define a filter. For example, if you want to take all the emails from a certain person, you can type their email address in the from. If you want to take all the emails that are addressed to a specific person, again, you might not be the only person receiving emails that are to you. It could be a group email. Any email that has a certain subject, contains certain words, doesn't contain certain words, has an attachment. You can set filters to look for all of those different things. So I'm going to create one that has the words level 1. All right, and then I'm going to create the filter. And this is the part where you tell the filter what you want to do with these messages. All right, you can skip the inbox. That means it won't show up in your inbox. It doesn't delete the message either, it just archives it. Archived messages are still there, but you have to find them by searching for them somehow. They don't stay in your inbox. You can mark those messages as read, add a star, apply the label. I'm going to do that because I have a label specifically for this. You can forward it to a different email address. You will have to add that email address, delete it, send it to spam, send a template. There's a host of different things that you can do here. One of the things I really like about this, though, is at the very bottom, it counts how many messages you have that fit this criteria. And so if you're going to apply a label to something, it will sort of retroactively apply this filter to emails that you've already received. So it knows that there are 8 messages in my Gmail that fit this criteria, and it's going to offer me the option to apply this same filter to the ones I've already received. All right, create the filter. And from this point on, when I receive emails that contain the words level 1, it should go to that label.